Brandon and I are getting another cooking class from Chef Maggie Norris with Weekday Cooking School. Our muffins hot out of the oven.
Yes, we've had granola, now muffins, now something else. It's just all been delicious.
Now the protein. Now for the protein. And this one, again, just like the granola was like a base recipe, this is a base egg cup recipe. Use your
kitchen
imagination.
sink recipe.
Yeah, use your imagination. You can really like doll it up. But for this one, we have our red pepper, sauteed red pepper.
Okay.
And then you want to cool off. So these have been cooling.
So it doesn't cook the egg.
Doesn't cook the egg. You're learning.
You're getting there.
She is. So I have 2 whole eggs in here.
It's taken me 8 years, but I have.
And then I'm going to use egg white. Now, Trader Joe's has another brand of egg whites that I like better because they're not as liquidy. So that little thing that you pull the tab off broke. So that's why I'm sticking my finger in this. So I'm sorry.
So don't usually stick your finger in the egg carton.
No.
That sounds
Hands
like
out.
a good egg cup.
Yeah, don't do that. My hands are clean though.
Why egg whites? Just a healthier?
Just for health.
Okay.
Yeah, just for health reasons. Yeah, because we're putting in sausage and cheese. So why not like balance it out?
It cancels it out, yes.
So, and then I'm just gonna dump these in here. And then I'm gonna mix it all together. So this is your base. You could do onions in here, green peppers, garlic, whatever you want. So I'm gonna mix that. I'm mixing that together. I'm putting in salt and pepper, and it's about a teaspoon of salt and some ground pepper. So the reason why I have it in this cup is because it makes it really easy. Oh, this is sprayed.
Okay.
Make sure to spray this because they're a pain in the behind.
Eggs will stick like crazy.
Yes.
Exactly. So you're just gonna pour these about halfway up. That first one's a little over, but that's okay. And then all you're gonna do, here, I'll do that 6th one, and then I'll start filling them up. So you're gonna take your cheese, plop it just like in the middle.
And you and again, any kind of cheese, you're just using cheddar right here, like a sharp cheddar?
This is definitely, we only like sharp cheddar in our house. And this is, okay, so this is chicken sausage. And I was gonna put my glove on. There.
You already touched it,
I
who
know,
cares now?
I already stuck my finger in the eggs. So this is Trader Joe's mild Italian sausage that you take out of the links and you brown it and cook it until it's no longer pink. It's so flavorful, and it's a much healthier alternative than just full
pork
fat.
sausage.
Right. So just think about what you could add in here. You could do spinach and feta.
Broccoli.
You could do broccoli. You could do mozzarella and tomatoes. I mean, there's just all kinds of things you can do.
And how long would this cook for?
Yes.
These cook for 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And then the great thing about these is you can freeze them.
I love it. Max, thank you so much. When we come back, we're gonna take a look at the final three dishes. If you want to try this recipe at home for yourself, head to our website and we'll be right back. Well, it's the most important meal of the day. Brandon, which one are you going for?
My breakfast was never this exciting. I'm gonna go with the granola.
All right, you go with the granola. I'm gonna go for the muffin and the egg cup.
That's a good choice.
Combination, yes.
All right, Maggie, thank you so much for joining us. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. And Brandon and I will see you tomorrow.